Hi children, welcome back. After a long time, we are meeting again. Right. So here, uh, till now, I have explained you about the biology part of our textbook. Now, today onwards, we are going to learn about the physical science. Right. So other than biology, there is another science called physical science, where it include physics and as well as chemistry part, physics and chemistry, right? So now we are going to start a new lesson that belongs to physical science, that is physical and chemical changes. Physical and chemical changes. Physical and chemical changes. Right. So very interesting topic and very easy topic, and that too very important topic also it is. So physical changes and chemical changes that takes place around us. Right. So get ready to know about this, and it is belongs to 6th chapter. It is chapter 6th in our textbook, and it belongs to physical science. Right. So physical change or chemical change, whatever it may be, we are saying the word change. We are saying the word change. Right. Now look at this. Look at this. What is going on here? Just you observe. There is something on the board, and now what happened? The board is clear now. The board is clear. Before this, how it is? There is written something on the board. There is written something on the board, but now there is nothing on the board. Means, what do you notice? What do you observe here? Here, whatever the written thing is there on the board, it is present in initial stage, in initial step. Initially, it is present on the board, but whenever I rub it, it disappeared. Means, do it changed or not? Yes, before this the board is filled with writing. Now it is very clear. Means there is a change. The change is occur. Right? For example, what is this? It is chalk piece of chalk, and I broken it. I break it into two pieces. Now I broken. Right? So here, do you observe the change? Yes, before this it is somewhat longer, and when I cut it or when I break it, it become two pieces. One become two pieces. Do you notice change or not? Yes, we observed change here. Means the first appearance. It require first appearance and final appearance. First appearance and final appearance. Along with this, now look at this. Actually, this is the first appearance, right? It is a long chalk piece, and whenever I break it, it become two. So the first appearance is that it is one long piece of chalk. It is long piece of chalk. Whereas final appearance, what is the final appearance? There are two pieces of chalk. Right? So this is the final appearance. But why do this long become two pieces? Why do it become two pieces? Because I have broken it. Right? So the cause is me. The cause is Sir broken the chalk piece into two pieces. Right? Have you understood, Nana? So then only we could able to say there is a change. There is a change. Before that there is no change. Now it is change. It become two. Means, if you want to say if anything is changed, then definitely there should be difference. There should be difference in first appearance and final appearance. There must be difference between first appearance and final appearance, then only we could able to say it is change. And remember one thing, every change it has one cause. Every change it has one cause. For example, let us see another example here. First it is milk. First it is milk. And imagine I added some curd to the milk. Then what happens? The milk converts into curd. The milk converts into curd. Now it is milk, it become curd. Why do it become curd? Because I added a little curd to it. Okay na? The cause is adding curd. But here what is the first appearance? The milk is liquid one and it is somewhat normal white in color or creamy in color. Okay na? It is totally liquid. Whereas what is the final appearance? It becomes somewhat solid, semi-solid or solid. It becomes solid. The liquid becomes solid and the color become white. Okay na? Here milk is creamy in white in color, but curd is white in color. And taste, milk is sweet in taste, and whereas curd is sour in taste. Curd is sour in taste. So have you observed the difference or not? First appearance and final appearance, there is a difference. So this difference is called as change. This difference is called as change. Have you understood, Nana? What is the main concept of the lesson? Change. The change must be contain difference between primary and final appearance. First appearance and final appearance should be different. Then only it is called as change, and every change has a cause. Every change has a cause. Right? So that is what we call change. Okay na? And here when the change occurs, I said it is long, and long becomes short, right? And here it is liquid, liquid become solid. Have you observed here? Means there should be change in the state. Either in the state, there should be change in state or color or size or shape, right? Then it is called as change. It is called as change, right? Now these changes are of two types. These changes are of two types. What are they? They include number 1 physical change, number 2 chemical change. That is what our lesson name, physical and chemical changes, right? So physical change and chemical change both are different. Both are different. In this lesson we are going to learn what is the main difference between the physical change and chemical change. So whatever it may be, for every change there should be a first appearance, there should be a final appearance, and they must have the difference between them. Then it is called change. The difference between these appearances are called changes. And every change it has a particular cause. Every change it has particular cause. Are you getting, Nana? Very good. So here we are discussing about changes around us. Each and everything it changes in front of us, but some of them they go unnoticed. But here these changes, they may be either physical change or chemical change, right? Before that we have to know what is change actually. How can you say that there is a change? How can you say that? Definitely there should be difference between the primary appearance and final appearance. When there is a change between the first and final appearance, then it is called as change. And how it is possible to get the change? How it is possible? Change is possible because of cause. So there is a particular cause for the particular change. For every change there is a cause. For every change there is a cause. Even you can implement this in your real life. For example, he is a bad boy. He is a bad boy. But because of one cause, because of one situation, he become good boy. He become good boy. So the first appearance is bad boy, but now he is good boy. Why he become good? Because his mother told him good words. So the cause is mother. Because of mother, the boy changed into good, right? So here, like this, each and every change, it has first appearance and final appearance, and every change must contain a particular cause. So here, cause, the changes are two types. Particularly the changes are two types, that are physical change and chemical change. Physical change and chemical change. Very simple to remember about these: physical change and chemical change. No matter whether it is physical or chemical, three things may go similar: change in size, shape, color, state. Shape, size, color, state. Shape, size, color, state. Now these are the common changes that take place in physical and chemical changes. Whereas along with this, there is no new substance formation. There is no new substance formation. There is no new substance formation in case of physical change. In case of physical change. But whereas in chemical change, there is formation of new substance. There is formation of new substance. New substance will be produced in chemical change. There is no new substance formation in physical change. Just try to understand the concept. Physical changes, physically they may change in size, shape, color, state, because all these are chemical nature. These are chemical property, sorry, these are physical properties. Size, shape, status, all these are physical properties. They may change. Only if they change, it is called physical change. But along with that, if that form a new substance, if it bring the change to form new substance, then it is chemical. If there is no new substance, then it is physical. In physical change, there is no formation of new substance, whereas in chemical change, there is formation of new substance. Have you understood, Nana? Physical change and chemical change. In physical change, there is a change in state, size, shape, color, but there is no formation of new substance. Whereas here in chemical change, what happens here? The size, shape, color, status, they change. Along with them, there is a formation of new substance. There is formation of new substance. Whenever there is a new substance is formed, then it is called as chemical change. Okay na? So that is the difference between physical change and chemical change. So here, in further lesson, we are going to learn, or in further topics we are going to learn what are the examples and how do they, why do they are called as physical, why do they are called as chemical, and how they occur. We'll see in the next class. So I